Your view on our autonomy that we are clamoring since 1987. I am 34 years old now. 30.
I've been there since the beginning.
Yeah. Do you think we can attain that one?
No, I believe that it takes process nga talaga, no?
Mhm.
Because idi na-reject niya duwa. I was there.
Yes.
No, because ano di ay nga the first proposed organic at na-reject, no? Mm, specialty baguette because of the provisions.
Mm.
They always equated it with palwet.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then the peacekeeping forces CPLA, kung ano
CPLA,
yan.
yeah.
Kung the leaders tayo ti benggit ilikat da palispis, dagita da nga
Mm.
dadamo ha.
Mm.
And inya ti bagad da agad because kurang ti information dissemination. Like
Information
that,
dissemination.
that's what I observed. And then misinformation, disinformation, no inya ti baga ni no handa na awatan about the autonomy, kat a campaign against. Palispis
Right.
campaign against. Dang campaign against.
Ay,
Because
that's
ay awan, mataksan amin dagita da. I was there
I
because I belong
see.
to the kwa. I was a neophyte mat idi eh. Cordillera Broad Coalition da kami kan
Mm.
nakusalad.
Mm.
Da Juan Ngalob, Bridget Hamada, ni late nga ni naganan, ni Janatayan Piman eh. Yung tao da ba, tao da balog da. And when I was mayor, I had a close and conversation with Balwag when he surrendered.
Yeah.
Ado nga ti CPLA di nga mambut-butong ti tagawangal idi. Tada
Oh.
jive, no? So napangkuhin ko with Colonel Akop idi nga was the director ti kwa.
Ay, was that yung parang case na pupunta sila sa isang area and then
When adada yan kat
declaim the
mabutong
area?
ti tattao ta CPLA kat talagang
Tama rin yan.
questionable. So napanak kay Cordillera House idi nagsurrender.
Oh.
Kat imbaka ka dyan na ni mabut-butong ti tattao apay nga dadagit ida ijay. Ijay. And then apay aya gamin ti kwam ti kayat mo maaramid iti Cordillera. You know, in Ruan ijay kwa dijay map ti
Yeah.
Cordillera.
Mhm.
Because diyan nga idi nga so nagrebelde at Anda Marcos idi nga
Yes,
about
under
the
Marcos, yes.
Philo,
Cellophane.
oo. Self-feel ijay jabra.
Mm.
Kalang ada di operasyon mo yung dagita ta idi during the martial law time dagita da. So in-explain na amin dagita da na binilib ko mo ta vision na magam development. Oh, kanang development kung kunana. That's why I supported him and then nagayum kami na inanak ko pa ti bunyag di anak na.